Welcome to episode 9. I am so glad that you have joined me again. I am Wendy Reese Hartman, for those of you who don't know already, and this is Whole Being Inc. Today's practice is around removing the 5 obstacles to fulfillment, and we'll be focusing primarily on the first 4, but they work together on the 5th one as well. So the 5 obstacles to fulfillment are ignorance in all of the ways that we mistake the impermanent for permanent or permanent for impermanent, pure and unpure, the pain and pleasure mistakenness. The second one is attachment, and as leaders we definitely know that we get really attached to outcomes and desired outcomes in particular. So being able to release our attachment is very, very helpful. In yoga, I see it all the time, even with myself. We get attached to doing things a very specific way, or we get attached to a certain kind of practice or a certain kind of teacher, and it's hard to let go of those attachments and be able to experience something brand new. Third one is egoism. Now, I don't think that I have to explain this. I do want to explain how I see it in yoga and have for many, many years. And especially with leaders, because they come into the practice and they don't want to look stupid. They want to do their best. They're used to pushing themselves beyond their limits. And there is no room for ego in yoga. It's a matter of finding in each asana the space to expand, to connect the breath and the body together, and to become into this present moment. And if we're pushing, we're not present. We're trying to get to some place, some goal in the future, remember attachment, based on some belief or thought or experience from the past. The next one is judgment. We judge ourselves when we can't do those asanas. We judge other people when they're different from us. We judge things all the time. And there is something about being so present that you can see beyond the facade of people and experiences to see things as is. And when you can get to that place, it brings such a tremendous amount of joy because that friction isn't there anymore. And then the last one is the fear of death. And I'm pretty sure everybody watching this has had an experience where somebody that they know died very suddenly, and it brings you face to face with your own mortality. And those questions of, am I doing what I want to be doing? Have I done enough? Have I been the kind of person that I would want people talking positively about after I died? And that brings that fear of death, of not having enough time. And so when we're on the mat and when we're doing these practices, it's really a softening of the outer edges to get to a place where we're able to just be fully present in this moment. And it doesn't matter what's ahead or what's behind. We're here now. So close your eyes. In this practice to start removing these obstacles, I invite you today to journey with me into a 5-second inhalation and a 5-second exhalation in all of the asanas. And we'll begin practicing that now. Inhaling for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue that breath on your own. And on your next inhale, bring the palms together in front of the heart. As you exhale, bow the head down, honoring the light that is in you, the light that is all around you. Om Namah Shivaya. So we'll start standing up. Feet parallel, four corners of the feet pressing down into the mat. Inhaling, reaching the arms up. Exhaling, allowing the shoulders to melt down and the spine to grow long. Inhaling. Exhaling. One more time. Bring the thumbs to hook together, and as you exhale, take it to your right. Inhaling. Exhaling. The inhale, feet press down, side body grows long, and the exhale, you just soften. One more breath. Inhaling, coming all the way up. Change the thumb, exhale, take it over to the left. Pressing the feet down as you inhale, lengthening through the side body. Exhale, soften into it. Inhaling. Exhaling. One more breath. Inhaling, coming all the way back up. Bringing the hands into the heart and stepping your feet wide. Turning the right foot, I'm going to inch my foot a little bit wider. This is a good stance for me. The right heel lines up to the left heel. Deep breath in as you bend the right knee, keeping the shoulders over the ribs over the hips. Exhaling, taking the hands out to the side and taking the gaze over the middle right finger. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. One more breath. Inhaling, straightening your right leg. Exhaling, reaching it as far out as you can. And then letting the right arm drop down. Left arm come up and the chest opens ever so slightly. You can look down, inhaling. And exhaling. 5 more breaths. Last breath. Inhaling, coming all the way up. Exhaling, turning the right foot, turning the left foot. Inhale, bend the left knee. Exhaling. Two more breaths. Inhaling, straightening that left leg. Exhaling, reaching it out as far as you can, taking the hand down, right arm up. Deep breaths. Last breath. Inhaling, coming all the way back up, bringing the hands to the heart and walking your feet together. The feet are maybe hip distance apart. When we sit back, you want to make sure that the knees stay center of the knee in line with the second and third toe. Take a deep breath in, reach the arms out and up. Exhale, sit back. Uttanasana, sitting the hips far back over the heels, seeing if you can get further and further into it with each exhale. One more breath. Inhaling, coming up. Exhaling, bringing the hands to the heart. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms out and up again. Exhaling, sitting back. Inhaling, taking the arms out to the side. Exhale, right arm comes under the left, or just bring the elbows and forearms together. Shift the weight into the left foot. Cross the right leg over. Maybe wrap the foot or just keep the toes down. Lift the elbows. 4 more breaths. Last breath. Unwind, reach the arms out and up. Bring it back into the heart. Other side. Reach it out and up. Exhale back. Inhale, arms come out. Left arm under the right or elbows. Take the left leg across. Two more breaths. Release, reach the arms out and up. Bring it back into the heart. Come down to a seated position on the mat. Feet are going to be in front of you. Knees are bent. Hands go on the back of the thighs, and you pull the inner thighs back as you lean back. Take one leg up, take the other, find your balance. You can stay here. You can reach the arms out. 5 breaths. Last breath. Release the feet down, lift it up. Come to a comfortable seated position. You did it. Good job. It's easy when you're holding these poses for a long time like that mine starts going crazy with all of the, oh, my arms hurt, this is hard, what's going on, how long is she taking this breath for? And it's an excellent, excellent practice in staying present and grounded in the moment. So bring the fingertips together, the thumbs touch, and then just bring them right in front of the pelvis, closing your eyes, deepening your breath. Be on guard against unwarranted fear, despair, bitterness, and self-absorption. Have the tenacity and the courage to choose compassion, love, and joy over being right or casting judgment on others or yourself. Be in service with humility and watch how trust and respect begin to flow and how fulfillment begins to blossom. Bring the palms together in front of the heart. It's been an honor and a pleasure to guide you. Thank you so much for that opportunity. Thanks for joining me. Please share this video with somebody that you know who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. It would mean a lot to me. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the practice. I read and respond to them. Infinite love and gratitude, and until next time, be whole.